AI is the next big thing in the world. We have already been seeing AI working all around us for a while. From Hey Siri to Instagram ads, AI has been integrated into our lives in one way or the other. But now with some new applications like Chatgpt, things are changing. AI is getting more powerful, and some disturbing truths have recently surfaced regarding this new gadget. Is it really that bad? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about the darkest facts and unveil some of the most disturbing secrets about the new AI chatbot called Chatgpt. So, are you ready to find out what this otherwise very intelligent system has been hiding? Well, without any further ado, let's dive in and find out what there is to know all about it. Chatgpt is a powerful language generation model created and launched by OpenAI. Chatgpt got real recognition when OpenAI launched a beta testing version of it in November of 2022, and it was opened then to the public. The chatbot is based on the original GPT, generative pre-training transformer model, and has been training on a large dataset of text to generate human-like responses to a wide range of inquiries and prompts. The way it works is pretty simple. You open the Chatgpt prompt, and there you put the thing that you want to ask the Chatgpt to generate the response for, and as soon as you submit the request in the prompt, the system generates a customized answer for you based on your query. The work it performs might look easy as the tool is very efficient, but the real work that has been put into developing this tool is of the essence. Chatgpt is basically a chatbot that has been trained over big data sets taken from the internet, and so it can be used for a variety of applications such as language translation, summarization, question answering, and text completion. It can also be trained for tasks such as writing essays, creating chatbots, or even coding. In fact, it was designed to work as a chatbot. The way it would work is that through gaining access to the API, any website or app designer could get it integrated into their chatbot. And when the users would inquire about anything in the app, Chatgpt integration would provide them with the answer. It's basically automated customer services. If we consider the applications and benefits that Chatgpt could have, there is no doubt that this is a revolutionary invention of OpenAI. Even in its beta testing phase, the bot is doing wonders, and that's one of the reasons it's gotten so much recognition in a very small time. However, some things are really disturbing about Chatgpt. First, its model of development is very fishy. AI is known for its huge impacts, and there are projects that are undertaken at the industry level that place after the review of documentation and programs by industry experts. It's basically the peer reviewing method that's been adopted in the case of AI development. So, in order to make the review possible, the code is supposed to be open source accompanied by supporting literature. Previously, when Google developed their BERT neural network-based natural language processing systems, the same systems on which Chatgpt operates today, it came with its complete scientific publication, and all the codes were kept open source. The same thing happened in the case of DeepMind's Alpha 2 project. However, when it comes to Chatgpt, nothing is available. When you open the website, it's just a blog with an estimated reading time of 13 minutes. That's it. The blog is mainly about what Chatgpt is capable of, its several applications, and how to use it. But neither any scientific publication nor a code is available on the website. So why is OpenAI not revealing the code or publication? So to give you a little context, all of the previous AI research and advancement that has ever happened took place due to the contribution of several researchers. For the researchers to provide input, projects needed to be open and public. But with OpenAI and their new gadget Chatgpt, things are changing as it's just open by name. There is no code available, and as OpenAI has shifted from a nonprofit to a for-profit organization, they certainly are planning a move toward developing a monopoly in the AI-based chatbot industry, which is a billion-dollar industry if OpenAI can exploit it to full potential. There is a problem of secrecy and hiding of code and publication. Then there's the training feature. So OpenAI has decided to train its Chatgpt from its users. Training and tuning of the bot would have cost OpenAI a lot of money, so they're bypassing that by providing free access to the users, and from the users' feedback, they are tuning the algorithm. All these tactics that OpenAI's management has adopted has really disturbed the researchers in the AI industry, because if such practices become mainstream, then things could really get out of hand. Right now, OpenAI is receiving receiving tons of feedback that they are using for their own good instead of helping the overall advancement of AI. You understand how petty that is, considering that such things are being done by an organization that was developed as a non-profit to promote and develop friendly AI in a way that can benefit humanity. There were many who pledged money considering the goal of the non-profit organization. Elon Musk himself was also among those who pledged this money to OpenAI. That's problematic on so many levels. However, that's not even the darkest part, because what's worse is that OpenAI exploited Kenyan workers by outsourcing them the task of labeling harmful content. So previously what happened with GPT-3, the predecessor of Chatgpt, was that GPT-3 was trained on publicly available random data. So where that helped the bot in making it intelligent, GPT-3 was known for spewing out disgraceful, violent, and sexist remarks. To get rid of the problem, OpenAI had only one solution, which was to hire workers and ask them to label the content. To make this happen, OpenAI outsourced this task to Kenyan workers at an hourly rate of $1.80 to $2. The problem doesn't end with the low wage rate, as the recent investigations done by Time magazine reveals that the content of the workers were supposed to label was taken from some of the darkest holes in the internet. It included dark, graphic, and disturbing content. The workers had to read the text, no matter how disturbing it was, read it completely and carefully, and label the parts that seemed problematic. According to the report by Time, the laborers were interviewed and said that was torture. You will read a number of statements like that throughout the week. By the time it gets to Friday, you are disturbed from thinking through that picture. The work was so underpaid and disturbing that the firm named Sama, which was hired by OpenAI to get the job done, revoked the contracts 8 months prior, stating it is too disturbing for the workers to accomplish the task. Consider the reality and compare it with the company's initial motto, which stated, "Our mission is to ensure artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity, and we work hard to build safe and useful AI systems that limit bias and harmful content." All we find out is hypocrisy and the problems which with this Chatgpt system was invented. It's when you come to know about such problematic details, and that's when you realize that all that glitters is not gold. Everyone out there is celebrating the new and revolutionary Chatgpt because it can answer all of your questions. It's so intelligent that it's passed an NBA exam from Wharton. However, no matter how brilliant it can get, its building blocks are all lined with exploitation and show a gruesome picture. Today, everyone across the globe is celebrating the technology and praising Silicon Valley and OpenAI for coming up with this out-of-this-world invention. There is no doubt that Chatgpt is revolutionary, but when it comes to details about how it was developed, the picture doesn't stay so colorful. What OpenAI did was not horrible, but adding fuel to the fire, the workers were silenced through secrecy contracts about not mentioning any details regarding the work they were performing. I mean, this is the peak of cruelty that any organization can achieve. Chatgpt might have tremendous benefits and useful applications, but the users should keep in mind that the dark secrets associated with this technology company are real. And now that you are very well aware of the dark secrets that OpenAI has been hiding, do you think that Chatgpt is worth it? Let me know in the comment section below. On that note, we're going to end the video here. I do hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.